Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Bilibili's bullet comments or Danmu. Let's get started. So first, all you need to do is to open the Bilibili app and play any video you see in comments moving across the screen. And tap the icon in the video player to turn it on or off. When it's blue, it's on. Then tap on the comment box or the Danmu icon and type your message and hit send. Your message will fly across the screen in real time. And make sure you're at least level 2 to send Danmu. And tap the gear icon near the Danmu toggle to change the font size, color, position, or filter out spammy messages. And don't spam or send inappropriate messages. Bilibili moderators can mute or block you. So that's how you use a bullet comments on Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.